So, Loom network is constantly pumping, guys. It is going crazy. Loom has broken out once again. Hopefully this will not be a fake out, but we can see the price has gone crazy, parabolic. All this continuation up to 0.48. There was a bit of a euphoric blow off top right there. So why is this pumping? What's going on? Is this a fake out? Is this manipulation? Are we going to see more bullish continuation? And is this a coin that is even worth holding until the next bull run, given that it just exploded by $350 million market capitalization in the last kind of few days and weeks? So let's explore. $0.37 at the moment. We can see on Google Trends. The interest is also reflecting here as more people are typing this into their search bars on Google. So loads of interest right now for Loom network, guys. And if you're new here, do subscribe, hit that subscribe button right now, help us out. We're doing content as much as possible, even if it's the weekend, we want to be helping you out. So Loom, building an ecosystem of blockchains to sustain the next generation of DeFi protocols, NFTs, and high performance multi-chains, dApps. Now there's a bit of confusion around this particular protocol at the moment because people are unsure of the supply. But we can see the website says right here, the production-ready multi-chain interoperability platform for serious dApp developers. So it's aimed at developers mostly, which is a good thing. You know, it provides a platform for people to grow infrastructure, get parachains, interoperability, and build integrations and stuff like that. So Loom network, according to them, there's a bit of confusion. So the Loom token supply across Ethereum and BSC networks. The Loom token has a total supply of 1.3 billion. 1 billion tokens are in active circulation on Ethereum. 130 million are in active circulation on BSC. Since the token exists on both ERC20 and BEP20, they provide transfer gateways that allow users to swap ERC20 Loom to BEP20 Loom one-to-one, kind of like bridges and stuff. As part of the swap, tokens are locked in a smart contract on one chain and withdraw from a smart contract on the other chain. So that's quite an interesting insight right there. So you now know the circulating supply of this coin. Moving into the price structure, look at this. I got it wrong. I thought we were going to see a bearish reversal following the bearish divergence here on the RSI and the rising wedge. So yeah, didn't get it right. I thought I would get it right, that we'd see a short position open up, but the opposite occurred. And now you can actually seriously see that this thing is overbought right now at 91 on the relative strength index currently, which is pretty overbought. I mean, we're on the daily. We can see right here we've got a big blow off top as well, which is effectively this selling wick right here. So if we move into the 4-hour time frame, if we look at our Bollinger Bands, you can see we are seriously on the high side of that Bollinger Band. So we've not yet retested that 20-day moving average, which is effectively your blue line right here. So if we were to get a correction, maybe just 0.319 at the moment, but this is very, very volatile. You can see that is a crazy pump right there. And if you look at the daily, it's overextended on the Bollinger Bands. On the Bollingers, it's overextended. So typically this is a short position now. I guess, where we were looking at earlier, we weren't actually at the top of the Bollinger Band, so it's still heavily in an uptrend. But this is high risk territory now, guys. If you're buying into this coin at these levels, it's seriously looking volatile. So moving into the 1-hour time frame over here, let's move our logarithmic away. We've got a daily line, so we'll put a 20-day moving average here. We can see we've got a perfect retest of that 20-day moving average here for this coin. Moving into the 30 minutes, big rejection on the relative strength index. If you look at this that we put here earlier, we're getting rejected on the top side of this RSI. So the bulls are losing a bit of momentum. This is extremely volatile right here, and there's one very sensitive area of support that needs to be held. And whilst we can't get this 100% accurate, it does look like this kind of trend line here of the 0.37 is that critical support level. You can even see on the RSI, it doesn't really want to fall below this 49 region either. But look at that volatility is crazy. I don't think there's a lot of technical analysis out there that can really get this head on right now. But you can just see the volatility here on that minute time frame. You can see the resistance trend line quite clearly. You can see it's in a bit of a descending channel, and there is still a chance that it could break out. It could break out to the 161 level up to $0.58. So we are looking at the potential breakout up to 1416, between 0.56 and 0.58 on the most bullish scenario. And yeah, it looks like it could possibly happen. It was oversold on the 1 minute time frame, which is not really the best time frame to be doing analysis on, to be fair. Your 5 minute, you're a bit better doing it here, but we can see we are getting a healthy looking green candle, which could potentially imply that there might be a breakout on the way here. So we're under that 20-day moving average on the 5 minute. If the bulls are strong enough, 50 cents is a possibility. If that is lost, this support level, then we could still fall back down to lower price structures, maybe 0.29, around this sort of price level here. So it all depends on whether we break this support, whether the bulls can really break out and get enough volume and momentum in for this token right now. I mean, $1 billion worth of trading volume in the last 24 hours, which is just outrageous. And yeah, look at the market capital, look at all the volume, 160 million on Binance. We're getting on BitHum as well. If we move to the market cap itself, you can see up to all-time highs. This is an all-time high for the coin right now. We're seeing it not in terms of its unit price, but in terms of its market capitalization. This is an all-time high right here. So ATHs have been made. This is ranked 63 right now. So a lot of traction on this coin, and we are getting that first breakout candle right here on the 5 minute time frame. So there could be a good chance to see this coin either retest this high of 50 cents, and if it does retest and get some continuation, we're looking at the 0.58 mark. So the pathway on the bullish side is up to 50 cents, retest, get a breakout up to that 58 mark would be fantastic to see. If it doesn't happen, then we might break out, lose that 36 cents support trend line, and see some continuation to the downtrend, the downside as well. So wild stuff right now. If you are a trader, make sure you do also consider becoming part of the Jacob Crypto clan. Sign up as a crypto champion or a crypto legend if you want to unlock over 600 trading signals per month. That's right, you've got about 250 days left of this particular bear market. So make sure you do get into the Discord if you want to unlock trading signals like the ones you can see on the screen right now. If you want the analysis, the entries, the take profit zones, the stop loss, all that juicy stuff, we've got it all for you in the Discord. Like I say, over 600 trading signals per month. I can't make it up. It's all in the Discord, which is down below. There's a link for you to explore the Jacob Crypto clan. Check out the Patreon link as well, which is this particular page. Where did it go? I think it was over here. This page right here. So this is the Patreon. If you want to get those signals and all the other benefits, you've got 8 legend slots available, 12 champion slots available. So there is a lot of members already, over 400. And all those signals are found in the Discord channel, which is down below. Now remember guys, we will never ask you to send us money. The only way you can receive signals is through the Discord and connecting to the Patreon application, which is this one right here that you can see on screen. If you want to take advantage of the upcoming volatility, also sign up to MEXC. I've got the link down below for you guys, where you may be eligible to some exciting Halloween bonuses, which means you sign up, you deposit, you get trading on leverages and futures using my link down below, and you could get some pretty cool prizes. There's a lot of competitions going on, so it's exciting. We're going to do a community one soon as well, and when we get enough sign-ups, what I want to do is an iPhone 15 giveaway. So please click that link so I can make this magical stuff happen. And in addition to the crazy Loom environment right now, another coin that I'm looking at and hold $2,000 worth of is the Bitcoin Minetrix presale. They are effectively tokenizing cloud mining, which is really cool. It means you don't need all that fancy hardware, the expensive setup of having a huge mining farm and crypto mining rig in your back garden or a spare room, and it takes out all that complexity as well, the knowledge that you need of the software and the hardware and getting it done. So this is like the new Bitcoin that you can buy at $0.011 right now. The price will be going up in 18 hours. They've nearly raised $1.5 million during this crypto winter, so I'm feeling pretty bullish on this overall ecosystem as a Bitcoin alternative and a mining solution where you can also actually stake to mine, and currently they have 399% APY up for grabs. If you stake to mine, lock in your liquidity and you can earn passive rewards on the sides. Just want to say guys, pre-sales are very much so speculative, and this is a high risk, high reward entity, so don't risk more than you can afford to lose. And this is not financial advice. You don't have to copy what I do just because I have been making some good gains recently from the pre-sales. Always only do what you can do in terms of your own risk and what you can handle emotionally in terms of risk. So cloud mine on the Bitcoin, you're going to get ease of entry, cost efficiency, space and noise. You're not going to get the big bulky mining rigs and stuff like that, and you can actually generate hash. And here is a dashboard which has got an example of someone with 100,000 tokens where you can burn, stake, withdraw, You can choose how many months you want to stake for. You can see the hash power that you can purchase as well, and that gets you sort of mining and staking. Additionally, they have a $30,000 airdrop, aka a mine drop. So check that one out if you want to have a look, do some research and due diligence on the token. Right down below, they're doing 10 lump sums of $3,000 to 10 lucky winners, so you can join that down below. Long-term roadmap, and between me and you, they're going to add something very exciting on their website soon. They are adding a team, so it'll be fully doxed, KYC'd, traceable, vetted, and we'll know exactly who is running the project. So that's also very, very important. Check out the Bitcoin mind tricks down below, guys. Make sure you also consider becoming a patron if you want to unlock those trading signals. It's all down there for you. Remember, this isn't financial advice. This video is entertainment purposes only, and let's see what happens for the Loom network bulls over the next few days, because, well, let's face it, it looks pretty volatile, euphoric, and rocky, and it's like the only thing pumping in the markets right now. So thanks for watching. See you soon, and bye for now.